the following handicap match has been scheduled for one fall. Yeah! Making his way into the ring, our referee, Casey Insane!
Insane! K! C! Insane! Give me a C! Give me a K! Spin around backwards, Casey Insane!
Next, making his way into the ring, he hails from Made in Japan, the Typewriter!
Typewriter! Yeah!
Master Payne just put the typewriter down. Here he comes.
Making his way into the ring, he hails from Prospect, Connecticut, Dr. Jerkenstein!
Fuck you!
And finally, his partner, he hails from Waterbury, Connecticut, PVC Pipe!
We're gonna make that fight, boys! We're gonna beat it! Polio! This way!
Right, ring the bell! Ring the bell!
Oh yeah!
Oh, PVC Pipe starts with a nice drop to the typewriter.
You can't see it!
Oh, he blinds him! Leg drop! Oh, leg drop!
Oh, you think you had enough typewriter?
Come on! Come on!
PVC Pipe picks up the typewriter and chucks it! Oh! It comes apart. Oh, leg drop! Elbow drop!
Let Dr. Jerkenstein get a piece!
He's come on!
Dude!
Oh, he kicked out. The typewriter kicked out.
Tag me in!
Oh! Dr. Jerkenstein. Oh, Dr. Jerkenstein again.
This is awesome!
What are you gonna do? I'm beating with
He
yourself!
slaps him with himself.
Why do you keep hitting yourself? Why do you keep hitting yourself?
PVC Pipe is taking wrath onto the typewriter with itself. Oh, and PVC Pipe goes for the weapon. Stool! Oh! Here comes
He's been trashed!
Oh.
Watch the guns, ladies and gentlemen. Watch the
PVC
guns.
Pipe obviously thinking his arms are guns, but if it were so, bullets would come out of his fingers. And that's just not even gonna happen.
Oh yeah!
Dr. Jerkenstein was just tagged in. He's gonna do the same thing PVC Pipe did.
Oh! Suplex it!
Here it goes. Oh! Pieces going everywhere. Everywhere. The typewriter is absolutely destroyed. Too bad it didn't have a backspace. This never would have happened.
What are you
Right. Seems to be going for some sort of move off of the top.
Throw it!
Laser tag!
Laser tag. Oh! Certainly that typewriter has seen better days.
Come on, man, I got PVC! You look a little tired. That's gonna be 10 minutes, man. Like you're not even doing it.
No.
You're not even tired, man. You're tired.
Not yet. All right.
Oh, PVC Pipe runs over and grabs the sledgehammer. This could not be good for typewriter. Oh, that thing is dented beyond
Let me
belief.
get 3 on that.
There you go.
This reminds me of a scene from Office Space. We need some rap music in the background.
It has to get hit on me all day.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Yeah! Office space! Office space! Office space! Office space! Yeah!
The crowd certainly knows what I'm talking about. What? Belly to back suplex to the typewriter.
There's no sass in me now,
Even though
huh?
the typewriter has no belly or back. Again, he's beating it with itself.
Oh yeah!
This is probably not good for the environment. Oh, and the pitcher breaks in half. We want a pitcher, not a pitcher that breaks in half. Oh! Leg drop! Oh, and the typewriter seems to be hiding out under the trampoline.
You can't hide from me.
Get out here, you little bitch!
What are you gonna do?
Oh!
I'm chilling your gardens. I'm chilling your gardens.
Oh, PVC pipe breaks out the hoe train.
Oh boy. Here, you take a bad little time.
And the tag. PVC pipe seems to be taking a little nap.
Man, you look so tired.
Dr. Jerkenstein places the typewriter on PVC pipe.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the kick out.
Typewriter wins! Woo! Typewriter!
It's not over.
Yeah.
It's not over. Dr. Jerkenstein seems to think the match is over.
Put the typewriter on.
He must be smoking
Your
something.
hand down. Come on, typewriter.
1, 2, 3. Dr. Jerkenstein has betrayed PVC pipe and the typewriter, which probably cannot even be powered on again, has hidden PVC pipe. And now PVC and Dr. Jerkenstein seem to be rolling in the grass. Oh, nerf to the knee.
Oh, you missed. What now?
In the words of PVC pipe,
Mexico!
very homoerotic.